Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Ford Fiesta. It's a new vehicle and updated version of Figo. So this is the key of Ford Fiesta. First, this is the headlights of new look of Figo compared to its advanced update variant, and no projector setup LED DRLs on these headlights, so only a bulbs on offer. These are the indicators of the front headlights, and fog lamp position is below, and see the curve of the fog lamp. See, it's like C curve, and very nice plastic treatment, nice quality of plastic used on this vehicle. So this is a front grille, and it's a nice grille, Tiger grille, diamond cut grille, and Ford badge at the center. So number plate position is given there, and there you can see the silver treatments, small treatments are below. Yeah, so nice air vents to come, and this is a tuning hook, large size of tuning hook, design to open that. So overall nice finish, and color on the vehicle is very nice brown finish now. And these are the water sprinklers given on the engine boot, and these are the dual wipers. So coming to the tire, so coming to the side, this is a tire, and it's a silver silver gloss black finish now given, and the profile of the tire is 195/80 15 inches tires. It's a hatchback car, obviously it will be only 15 inches tires, and the tire profile of this vehicle is very nice, and I like the alloy wheels on this vehicle, but it's not compared to Figo. This is not that much reliability of design, and see the plastic treatment on the overall body roll. So nice color, and graphics on below lower side is very nice, and overall this is the side profile of Fiesta new vehicle, and door handles are same as compared to Ford design. Shut down sound is somewhat disappointing, and this is a indicator on side view mirror. Side view mirror design is also very nice view, and windows are large enough. There is no C-pillar window on offer, so it's a small hatchback car as we know. Roof race design is very nice, so this roof race will not get in the Figo, and this is in the silver treatment now. And so there is a antenna placed at the front. So coming to rear, this is a rear profile of Fiesta titanium, Ford written there, and this is a tail lights of Fiesta, new look and new design. So as much not new look, there is no LEDs on this tail light, so only bulbs on offer. So price segment is also very decent of this hatchback, and titanium badge written there, TDCI. So turbocharged engine, and it's only get in the only in the diesel variant of this vehicle. And there you can see the wiper, and this is a spoiler of the vehicle, and see the light on the spoiler, only bulbs. So there is below, and again 3 silver treatments on offer down. So 4 sensors on offer, and there is no camera on this, only sensors are given, and there is no plastic finish on that, only it has been designed in the bumper of body. So this is a boot of rear, and from here only, from the key we can handle the boot open. It's a keyless entry. So opening of boot from the keys only we can do, like Endover, same design of Endover keys, Ford written on key placement. So this is a 242 liters of boot, massive enough for small size hatchback, and 2 suitcases easily it will be fixed, and there is no light on the boot. So yeah, there is the light on the boot, sorry for that, and some box. So there is a hook on offer. So under the boot here you can see the spare wheel, but there is no alloy wheel on the offer. The spare wheel, the size of the spare wheel is 175/65 14 inches. So same profile, some of increased of spare wheel size in the hatchbacks as we know. So nice installation on the boot covered. So there is a sprinkler of wiper here, you can see in detail, Coming to side, this is a diesel petrol lid. Coming to the rear door, so there is no door pockets on this generation. It's a new vehicle and it's in the 2020 vehicle also. There is no door pockets on offer bottle holders, very disappointing. And brown finish, brown smooth line finish of on the door. So there is a power window, there is gloss black finish of door handles. So there is small cotton piece given here, and disappointing again. So there you can see the space of rear seat, very stiffer side. And let's sit inside and see. So under thigh support is some lacking, not much, some lacking of under thigh support, nothing much difference by that. And scooped out seats, magazine holder. So headroom is massive enough for 6 feet also in this hatchback. And comfort level is some, not much, some disappointing. And under the support is very, I can say average, I can say not much. So overall cushion is very nice on these seats. So it's a black and grey treatment now seats has been come. And one special is that, so there is a headrest of adjustable headrest at the rear, and there you can see there's some space. So overall black treatment of interior, not at all airy feeling. Only with these windows we get airy feeling, but some close-ups to that we can say. So there you can see the dashboard design from here. So this is the dashboard design from the rear, and no AC vents at the rear. And this is one cup holder given here, no charging sockets on offer, so no isofix seats etc. It's a premium hatchback, no light, nothing, only a seats has given at the rear, nothing much. Let's go to front and see. So on offer here you can see door pockets. So there is a bottle holders, compartment has given in the bottle holder, 1 liter, half liter, some stuff to keep magazine holder. And here you can see the holder of the door, and power windows, power window buttons has given here, and same as piano black finish of door handle. And here you can see the side view mirror adjustable of button. So let's get inside. This is a keys I'm placing here. This is a manual transmission diesel variant. So first coming to here, there is no center armrest at the front, disappointing. And twin cup holders has given here. So handbrake manually adjustable, and this is a 5-speed gear lever, and nice placement and nice design. So some stuff to keep like key placement is here, and traction control button is given here, very nice. And from here you can see the 12-volt charging socket is given here, and aux USB ports are given here. This is to keep mobile holder, and this is for AC vents. So this is AC vents now, do a single climate control of AC vent, and nice small display of AC vents, nice touch, and lot of buttons and installation on AC vent. This is for fan speed, this is for temperature control, and this is a again 7-inch touchscreen of here. You can see nice placement, and it's look nice design and nice treatment. So these buttons for audio control of infotainment system. So hazard switch is given here. This is for on-off buttons, is for volume button, and lot of switches. So audio, phone, navigation. So speaker sound is decent enough for speaker sounds. 4 speakers on offer on the doors. So there is a glove box on with light, nice placement, and a massive enough of glove box, and airbag is given here. So dashboard is neat finish, and huge dashboard we can see. So this is a 7-inch touchscreen, and nothing much information on this offer. So settings, door is open now. Let's close the door. So after closing the door only, this infotainment system is working, sound, clock, display, brightness mode etc, general, navigation, auto. It's a system, it's a settings for only for infotainment system only. And there you can see the doors off side. So now it's very difficult of brightness in this vehicle. So it's a black interior, and here you see the engine start stop button, nice to handle and easy to handle. And this lever is for wipers, obviously this lever is for indicators and lights. So overall this is the steering of vehicle. So this is the steering of vehicle, and these buttons is to control the infotainment system. I mean like infotainment system and call, attend, and volume decrease and increase, nothing much. And piano black finish, I mean same gloss black finish of on steering touches, nice premium feeling, and Ford badge at the center of the steering. So steering is nice plastics, and this is the instrument cluster, and this is a RPM meter, speedometer in the middle, and there is a fuel gauge meter, and full auxiliary power active, and small displays. Now it's not working, and a lot of information, trip A, trip B, odometer is given in that small display. So small instrument cluster, nicely placed and nice design, sporty feeling. And coming to here, so these buttons for adjustable of lights on off, and fog lamps adjustable of buttons are given here, and lot of high beam and low beam switch, etc. Lot of buttons are given. So pass light, all the buttons of headlights control is given here only. So overall nice done, and nice premium feeling, and better one's advanced feature is that auto dimming inside, and this is the lights. So light switch is given here, one mic is given here on offer, and other side mirror with no light and very heavy. Now these sunblinds, there is no mirror, no light, only tool receipts for holder, and black finish of top roof, and very nice. And this is a rear seat from the front. So this is a rear seat from the front, and very nice black and gray finish. Some not much excited of this vlog now. So this is cushion is very nice, and comfort levels are very nice on the seats on offer. So 3 pedals at the down here, you can see it's a manual transmission, clutch, brake, accelerator. So no focus right now. So overall this is a walk around and interior design of video, and I will soonly review the test drive vehicle of this Ford Fiesta style, and new vehicle, new platform to this Ford. And this is a walk around video. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.